Hi. Okay, so we're gonna do the
Chubby Bunny Challenge.
Chubby Bunny Challenge. We have our marshmallows here, and
I'm scared.
and our plastic bags, our plastic bags, and paper towels. Okay, so we're gonna open it. I'm scared. Should turn on the TV, huh? I don't even know the remote is.
It's behind the stuff. I'm seriously like dreading this right now.
Okay. So what we do is put as many of these in your mouth, in your mouth, and like still having to be able to say Chubby Bunny. Go.
You first, dude.
It's all like stuck together. Okay. And you can't chew on it.
Okay, fine.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. That's gonna get gross, dude.
No. That's why I have our paper towels.
Go.
Oh. Oh my god. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
We got a small mouth.
Hmm?
We got a small mouth. That's two. Oh. Chubby Bunny. Ew.
I'm scared.
That's three.
Chubby Bunny.
Ew.
You're nasty.
That's three, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is four. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. So we just finished the Chubby Bunny challenge.
We did five.
Dude, don't show them that. That's nasty.
We did five.
But you guys want some marshmallows?
One more. Marshmallows are good.
And you know what's cool? It's 100 calories for 4 pieces. And
We did five.
yeah, but we didn't eat them or digest them or anything. So this is like my first piece.
Might have to.
So yeah. Oh, by the way, we're making the jellies. Hopefully it'll be done soon because it's already 11 o'clock. So
I'm gonna try it again though.
what?
I'm gonna like try squishing them.
You can't, dude.
That's like cheating.
Defeats the purpose of the challenge.
That's cheating.
It is
I'll
cheating.
try it.
Wash it all doesn't work.
Chubby Bunny.
Go ahead.
Oh, you're the one do it?
Nope. I'm done. Okay, well if you squish one, you have to squish them all.
That's still not gonna work. I'm cheating. That's two. Chubby Bunny. It's like stuck to my fingers. That's gross.
We should use the rest of these to make marshmallow treats.
How many was that?
3.
Chubby bunny. I feel like I'm just gonna do 5 again. It's gonna be a waste. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
Ew.
I lost count. How many was that?
5.
Into 6?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I beat myself record.
Oh my. You have to be able to say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Oh,
Oh god. Chubby.
she's done.
At least I beat my first record. I added 2 more.
Alright, so I guess we're just gonna wait until the jelly soap dries for now. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, bye!